Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of vitamin and mineral supplementation. Ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, more energized you? Let's get started. Hi everyone! Today we're exploring how the right vitamins and minerals can supercharge your health and well-being. From boosting immunity to enhancing mental clarity, these essential nutrients play a crucial role in our daily lives. Vitamins and minerals are the building blocks of our bodies. They're essential for countless processes, including energy production, immune function, and even mood regulation. But with so many options out there, how do you know which supplements are right for you? Let's break it down. Here are some trending vitamins and minerals you need to know about. 1. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for bone health and immune support. 2. Vitamin B12, vital for energy production and cognitive function. 3. Magnesium, helps with muscle relaxation, sleep quality, and stress reduction. 4. Zinc, essential for immune defense and skin health. 5. Omega-3, fatty acids, supports heart health and brain function. We spoke with leading nutritionists and health experts to get their take on the most effective ways to incorporate these supplements into your routine.
Personalized nutrition is the future. Understanding your unique needs can help tailor your supplementation for maximum benefit.
Quality matters. Look for supplements that are third-party tested to ensure purity and potency.
Here's a quick tip. Always pair your supplements with a balanced diet. Think of them as the cherry on top, not the whole sundae.
And there you have it, folks. Simple, effective, and easy to remember. Let's keep those routines going strong.
Curious to learn more? Check out our detailed guide linked below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and trends. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Remember to like, share, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep shining bright.